Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is shows the relationship of percent to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers. Defines percentage, rate, and base and word problems. Percent. Fractions and decimals are used interchangeably because they are mean the same thing. Example, 25% equal to 25 hundreds equal to 1/4 equal to 25 hundreds. In changing decimal to percent, multiply the given decimal number by 100, then affix the percent sign to the product. Example number 1, 23 hundreds. So we have here 23 hundreds times 100 is equal to 23. Then affix the percent sign so it becomes 23%. Example number 2, 9 hundreds. So we have to multiply 9 hundreds times 100 is equal to 9. Then affix the percent sign so we have 9%. In changing percent to decimal, drop or remove the percent sign, then divide the given number by 100. Example, 23%. So drop the percent sign so it becomes 23, then divide by 100 is equal to 23 hundreds. Example number 2, 9%. Drop the percent sign so the remaining is 9. Divide by 100 is equal to 9 hundredths. In changing fraction to percent, divide the given numerator by its denominator. Then, multiply the quotient by 100 and affix the percent sign to the product. Example number 1, 1/4. So we have our solution. Divide the numerator by its denominator. So we have 1 divided by 4 is equal to 25 hundredths. Times 100 is equal to 25. Then affix the percent sign. So we have 25%. So 1/4 is equal to 25%. Example number 2, 3/4. So we have here our solution. So divide again the numerator by its denominator. So we have 3 divided by 4 is equal to 75 hundredths. Then multiply the quotient by 100% and that is equal to 75. Then affix the percent sign so we have 75%. So 3/4 is equal to 75%. In changing mixed number to percent, change first the given mixed number to improper fraction. Then, apply changing fraction to percent. Example, 4 and 2/5. Solution, change first 4 and 2/5 to improper fraction. So we have 5 times 4 plus 2 all over 5 is equal to 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 2 all over 5. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 over 5 or 22/5. Now 22/5 change to percent. So we're going to divide the numerator by its denominator. So 22 divided by 5 is equal to 4 and 4/10. Now the quotient multiplied by 100 and that is equal to 440. Then affix the percent sign. So that becomes 440%. So we have here 4 and 2/5 is equal to 440%. Percentage shows a part of a whole. Base represents the whole. Rate is a part of a whole expressed in percent. In solving percentage, base, and rate, follow these equations. Finding the percentage, so we have P is equal to R times B. Finding the base, we have B is equal to P divided by R. And finding R or rate is equal to P divided by B times 100%, where P is the percentage, B is the base, and R is the rate. Example, letter A. Find the percentage. Number 1. What is 20% of 75? Given B is equal to 75, rate is equal to 20%, change to decimal number is equal to 2/10, and percentage is missing. Solution, we have percentage is equal to rate times the base. Percentage is equal to, substitute the value of the rate, which is 2/10, times the value of the base, which is 75. So we have 2/10 times 75. So percentage is equal to 15. Number 2. What is 35% of 85? Given percentage is unknown, base is equal to 85, rate is equal to 35%, equal to 35 hundredths in decimal. Solution, so we have here percentage is equal to rate times the base. So percentage is equal to 35 hundredths times 85. Percentage is equal to 29 and 75 hundredths. Letter B. Find the rate. Number 1. 15 is what percent of 75? Given percentage is equal to 15, base is equal to 75, rate is unknown. Finding the rate, we have percentage divided by base times 100%. So we have here our solution. Rate is equal to 15 divided by 75 times 100%. So rate is equal to 2/10 times 100%. So rate is equal to 20%. Number 2. 29 and 75 hundredths is what percent of 85? Given percentage is equal to 29 and 75 hundredths, base is equal to 85, and rate is unknown. So solution, we have rate is equal to percentage divided by base times 100%. Rate is equal to 29 and 75 hundredths divided by 85 times 100%. So we have 29 and 75 hundredths divided by 85 is equal to 35 hundredths times 100% is equal to 35%. So we have here the rate is equal to 35%. Letter C. Find the base. Number 1. 15 is 20% of what number? Given percentage is equal to 15, base is unknown, rate is equal to 20%, equal to 2/10 in decimals. So we have here finding the base is equal to percentage divided by rate. So our solution, we have 15 divided by 2/10. So we have base, so is equal to 150 divided by 2 because we change first our decimal divisor into whole number. Then we affix 10 to our dividend to make it equal. So we have 150 divided by 2 is equal to 75. Number 2. 29 and 75 hundredths is 35% of what number? Given percentage is equal to 29 and 75 hundredths, base is unknown, rate is equal to 35%, equal to 35 hundredths in decimals. Solution, we have base is equal to percentage divided by rate. So base is equal to 29 and 75 hundredths divided by 35 hundredths. So again, change first the decimal divisor into whole number by just moving the decimal point to the right. So do the same in the dividend to make it equal. So now we have base is equal to 2,975 divided by 35. So base is equal to 85. Problem number 1. In the school auditorium, there were 1,560 students. If 45% of the students are boys, how many students are girls? Given, base is equal to 1,560 number of students, rate is equal to 45%, equal to 45 hundreds in decimals, that is number of boys. So percentage is the number of boys. N is equal to number of girls. So number sentence, we have percentage is equal to rate times the base. And N is equal to 1,560 minus the percentage. Solution and answer. Percentage is equal to rate times the base. So percentage is equal to 45 hundreds times 1,560. So percentage is equal to 702. So that is the number of boys. Now we have to find the number of girls. So we have N is equal to 1,560 minus 702. So N is equal to 858. So there were 858 girls in the auditorium. That's it for today, class. Until next time, goodbye.